like I'm not the only one in the rain. There's now I thought I seen it all, but I'm literally right downtown Hazard. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, stopped raining as much as I think it's going to. I've been here for, you know, right at 30 minutes. I'll check this truck out. Look here. Oh, yeah. Nice truck. But it's been about 30 minutes, I'd say. So, I guess we'll call it good. It's slacked down as much as it's going to, I feel like. I'm just running up here to Burger King and then back home. I'm probably gonna get wet. Somebody's pulled over down there. Definitely not going that way.
Several days later.
I ain't even started this bike in like 5 days. I've just been sitting at the house. It feels so weird. I've just been playing Fishing Planet. God, that game is so fun. I don't know why, but it's just so addictive. Hey, actually, if you guys would like to see content of like gameplay of random video games on the channel, let me know. I don't mind to upload any of that, you know. I like to play a lot of video games, got a gaming PC, you know, quite a bit about it. So, you know, I can upload gaming content also, or I can make a separate channel for gaming content. Let me know if you guys would like to see separate content. Or separate channel for gaming content. I got friends that I play a lot of video games with, and I got one that's been wanting to upload some YouTube videos of just some random content. And like to play a lot of video games. Seriously, if you guys would like to see some gaming content from the old Willy Weasel, just, you know, leave it in the comments and let me know. I play anything from Apex to Fortnite, Call of Duty to Fishing Planet to MX vs. ATV. I mean, I even play like Minecraft or Stardew Valley. I don't mind. I play anything. Leave a comment and let me know, and I'll start playing some video games. video games. Absolutely love video games. There's quite a good bit of straight stretches up this way. I guess you know what that means.
This is Weasel, and I apologize for not being able to give a good introduction here on this clip. This is my buddy Johnathon's 2001, maybe 2002 XR650L. He offered to let me ride it, and he was in a hurry, had to get to work, so I had to make a quick little clip on it, and you know me, I couldn't turn it down. So if you enjoy this, please leave a comment and let me know I should do more things like this.
What's up, guys? It's Willie Weasel. I'm on a XR650. My buddy's bike. I wanted to ride it once before he went to work. He said I could ride it. This thing's a beast. What the frig? It's a brute. Look at this. Oh my god. This is smoke that freaking Sportster. Ain't no way. like the video, that works too. Please drop a comment and tell me things you guys would like to see me do, whether that be ride some wheelies or, you know, go fast or whatever. You know, just drop a comment. Share this video with some friends if you know somebody that would like the type of content that this is, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. You know, you're already watching the video, you're already here, so why not drop a, you know, a sub if you like this kind of stuff. Keep coming back for more. I think YouTube says something like 97% of you guys aren't subscribed. So, I mean, it would help a ton if you guys would drop a like and subscribe to the video. This has been the Willy Weasel, guys. Peace out.